Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here. Oh, the sun just came out. Yay! It's good because my car is cold and I took my jacket off because my mic rubs against my jacket and makes that annoying sound. So yeah, it's a little chilly in the car, so it's nice that the sun came out. I hope you're doing great. It's Thursday. I really wish it were Friday. All of the teachers and students at the school where I work had a half day today, and then they start their President's Day weekend, so they have Friday and Monday off. But I don't have Friday off. I have Monday off, but I don't have Friday off. And so the building's quiet, and I'm feeling left out because I wish today was my Friday, like it is for them. Did you ever have that happen to you? Everybody else has the day off, and you're stuck at work. But I have a lot of work to do, so that's okay. What's going on? I have almost finished my second bubblegum ice cream beanie by Ginger the Yarn Geek. It just needs the pom-pom on it, but I'm loving these colors. And this is my new Katia yarn that I got from my local yarn shop, Sybil's. So yes, I'm loving it. I'll put it on. Hold on one second. This is gonna get crazy because I gotta take my ponytail out. Let's see. There. It's definitely colorful, but it really does need the pom-pom, I think. I think it needs a pom-pom. I don't know. Let me know what you think. My husband thinks that pom-poms are a bit ridiculous. He's like, what's the point? The point is fun. That's the point, right? Am I right? The point is to have fun. And what's more fun than a pom-pom? Here's one right here. Okay, so that is my my new bubblegum ice cream beanie by Ginger the Yarn Geek. So if you haven't tried that pattern, check it out. It's pretty easy to make. I made that one just last night. It took a couple hours. The big hook size helps it go by fast. So that'll be done soon. And I've got another project I want to start. I've got a lot of scraps that are like earth tones, like browns and grays and dark greens and creams. And I thought I might just make a bunch of granny squares and piece them together. I thought it would be a nice fall blanket, you know, like in the fall, just to like throw on the couch. The color scheme just seems right for fall. So I think I might start that this weekend and use my new hook that I still haven't had a chance to try yet because I wanted to work with this yarn, but I needed to use a different hook. So I had to make a choice. Do I want to use my new yarn or do I want to use my new hook? I actually got two new hooks that I want to try, both of them much different sizes. So I need to get a couple whips going at the same time. So I can use my new Furls hook from Emmy and my other new hook that I purchased this weekend. So anyway, I will put this back in my bag. I still have some more of this yarn left. Ooh, it's kind of falling apart. I'm going to have to wind it up. But I'll have to weigh it to see if maybe I can get another hat out of it. We'll see. I just love it. I don't want it to go to waste. I don't want it to go to waste. So we'll see. Put it back in my Emmy bag. I love the Emmy bag. The Emmy bag always has a stitch marker hanging off of it too, because I always need one. So that is done, and that was a fun little hat project. What are you doing this weekend? Valentine's Day is Sunday. Valentine's Day. Does that make a heart? My son says I do it wrong. Maybe it's this way. How do you make the heart? Well, anyway, Sunday is Valentine's Day, so hopefully you're going to do something fun. I'm not sure if we're really doing anything at my house for Valentine's Day. It's such a bummer that, you know, you don't really feel comfortable going out to eat or anything. And that was something that we used to always do for like anniversaries and birthdays and So I don't know. Maybe I'll cook something Valentine's-y, like, I don't know, heart-shaped pancakes and chocolate-covered strawberries or something like that. I don't know. That kind of is Valentine's-y, right? We'll see. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I hope you spend it with someone that you love or lots of people that you love. Because, yeah, it's a good time of year to remember the ones we love and snuggle. What else is going on? Yarn hookers this week. Yeah, we did our Valentine's episode last week because we wanted to give people ideas of things they could crochet, and then of course you're going to need time to crochet those things. So we did our Valentine's episode last week. So this week it's Mardi Gras week at Yarn Hookers. So this has proven a little bit challenging for me to come up with some Mardi Gras projects, but I've got a couple. So tune in to see what we come up with. I do not know what Melanie from Hook to the Left or Ginger the Yarn Geek have come up with. So I am eager to see what they come up with and to find out if this was as challenging for them as it is for me. Because it's kind of challenging. I'm like, what am I going to do for Mardi Gras? So at any rate, tune in. We are at Hook to the Left this week. So 5 o'clock on Saturday evening, Eastern Standard Time. Join us over at Hook to the Left. And down below, I have Ginger's channel link and Melanie's channel link. So if you subscribe to all three of us, you'll never have to worry about missing a Yarn Hookers episode. So just click on all of the notifications, and yeah, whenever we're live, you'll get a pop-up. So, but it's always Saturday evenings at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And let me see if there's anything else going on. Over at the Yarn Hookers Facebook group, we're still working on our February challenge, and it's Red Heart. So the challenge is to either make something red or make something that incorporates hearts, or both. You could do both. And the prize this challenge is 2 skeins of Red Heart Unforgettable, and the color I think is Red Sea. I think it's Red Sea. Rouge Mer. I remember seeing it in French. I think it was Mer Rouge or Rouge Mer, something like that. So I think it was Red Sea is the colorway, and it is beautiful. I love this yarn. I wish I could enter and just keep the yarn, but I can't. I have to give it away because I promised. So that is the prize. So yeah, if you're a Facebook person, come on over, join the Facebook group, the Yarn Hookers Facebook group. Again, the link is down in the description below, and enter to win in the challenge, because that's going to be cool. It's a cool prize. And let's see. Also, I have a Facebook group too, if you're interested, and that's Whippy Chick Crochet Connections. And just silly stuff, a good place for you to post your pictures of your makes and your whips and any questions you might have, because the community is getting a little bit bigger and we're able to help each other with questions and just fun memes and Throwback Thursdays where we put up vintage pictures, and yeah, lots of fun stuff going on over at the Facebook pages or groups, Facebook groups. Let's see. I don't think I really have too much else going on. This sun is so lovely, I have to say. It was so cold when I got into my car, and now the sun has peeked through, and I've also got the heat on. But the sun has peeked through, and it's making it so toasty warm in here. I would have had to take my jacket off anyway, I guess. I think that's all I've got. I did get a really sweet little meme, I guess, from my sister today, and I'm gonna put a picture of it up here so you can see. I thought it was a really pretty sentiment, really sweet, about making memories. I think that's what it was. And of course I will put in some pretty pictures. Oh, and instead of music this time, I'm going to put in the sounds of my sister's backyard early in the morning, because she's been recording her backyard sounds for me and sending them to me. And that might sound really weird, but I love it because it's birds. It's the sound of birds. And I miss the sound of birds in the morning. In the wintertime, most of our songbirds are gone. So it's nice to hear the birds. And you know what else I do to listen to the birds is I put my YouTube channel on to a live cam, and it's a bird feeder live cam, and it's in Germany because it's daylight in Germany. If I put it on a live cam in the United States that early in the morning, there would be no sounds because it's dark everywhere still. Yeah, so anyway, that's a way that I like to listen to the sounds of nature first thing in the morning. It's really nice to, be getting my tea ready and getting ready for work and listening to the birds singing half a world away. It's kind of cool. It's really kind of cool when you think about it. Like this morning I was watching a woodpecker, eating his lunch or whatever, and it was thousands of miles away, but I was watching it in live time, and I totally geek out about that sort of thing. So, all right, I think I've babbled long enough. I should probably get back to the office, get back to work, put my nose to the grindstone, and get GSD, getting stuff done. Stuff. Okay, guys, take care. I hope to see you Saturday, and if I don't see you Saturday, I'll see you again on Tuesday. Back for more Card Chat. All right, take care. Bye.